Hi, Doug. It's Josh Ezel with Breakthrough Real Estate. Hope you're having a great day. We're here over at 46755 North 35th Avenue, and yeah, it's a great piece of land on a well, with a great view, as you can see from the mountain right there. The house itself, great. I mean, 4,000 square feet. $85 a square foot is about close to $40 a square foot less than the average site-built home in New River. So easy. So this definitely has a lot of potential. It's listed as good bones, so we'll see. As we walk up, you've got the cool deck, and then you can see all the wood work. And then this is the front porch area, so you can see the chimney and the seating area. And look at this, up north you can see for miles. Those are the Bradshaw Mountains over there, so you'll get some snow views. And then right down here below, you've got the wash, which hope you do like quote-unquote critters, because with the wash being right there, you're definitely going to get some javelina and some other fun stuff. New River is a wonderful, wonderful community. It is one of the nearest places to Phoenix where you can actually get acreages. And say hi to my daughter. This is Molly. Where you can actually get acreages, but yet still be pretty close. You do the top one? Perfect. Okay. So here they are behind in the payments, which is why it's a probate. Well, it's a person who passed away, and then the kids are trying to get it sold, so they haven't been making the payments, so they are past due. So that's why it is a court approval sale. Good bones is what they said. So you figure paint and flooring, easy. So as you walk in, definitely that Southwest feel. With the fireplace. Kitchen. Lots of cabinetry. Skylight. Big gas range. And then GE profile. So you got the dual ovens. And is that? Yeah, it's Corian countertops, so I'll end up wanting to replace that. Here's your little pass-through for the kitchen. So let's head to the left. Oh, but that's going to lead up to the master. Let's come back down here first. So here's your water closet for downstairs. And then this is something like a pantry. And then it's going to be like the media room. Family room, whatnot. Done doors. Yeah, another 4,000 square feet, so there's plenty of space. Okay, definitely like room for a pool table, TV. You see all the wiring, so they definitely had fans and lights and surround sound going on at one point in time. Yep. Oh, okay. Alright, so we got this bolted shut, so we'll go out a different way. Okay. Alright, so let's go out to the backyard. Nice canopy area. Those are easily replaceable. Got the fenced in, which is nice. An elevated pool. That's unique. Whoa, that spring works. Okay. Oh, look at that grill. Look at all the burners on the stove. That is a legit outdoor stove. And then there was a water feature at one point in time there. So we come around, basic pool. Just a basic play pool. Looks like the actual coating, the finish itself is actually in good shape. It just needs to be resealed. I don't see any major cracks. And the pump definitely, need to be cleaned. But I think just a good acid washing and then a power washing or acid wash and then just recoat it would be great. But home inspection would be the key. So this is what would be another patio or like a kind of canvas top of some sort. And then the 4 acres, I imagine, go out a ways. That's the backyard. Walk around the perimeter here for you. So it looks like the nearest neighbor would be them. And there would be the garage from the back. And have some storage. They would power to them. I'll go back around. There's the tour inside. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see how much of this is going to be left as a gift with purchase. The chairs appear to be in decent shape, but who knows? Oh, okay, as we come back inside. Let's go ahead and head upstairs. So is this the garage? Yep. Yeah, they definitely had pets that peed, yeah. Okay, so is this laundry room? Yep, laundry. It's a big old laundry room. It's actually a kind of small garage. Yeah, it's a very just basic small garage. Oh, yeah. All right, this was the cat's room. Oof. Okay. Yeah, you're probably gonna have to replace all the boards up here. Unless you find a really good enzyme. Plywood, it's not too expensive. But yeah, probably safe than sorry in here. Yeah, built-in shower. Yeah, basically paint, flooring, new appliances, new fixtures. Well, not all new appliances, but definitely mainly new fixtures. Like these steps definitely need to be redone. I'd put either granite or some kind of other stone in the kitchen. Then you figure just a new bathroom in general, because that's not too expensive. So just a couple vanities, toilets, showers, things like that. Okay, so this would be the master, I'm assuming. So you've got the seating area with what could be a patio area out there, which could be nice.
Wait, is this a seating area?
No, seating area will be back here.
Oh, okay.
Then that is a closet. Look at all the shoe spots here.
Wow.
Oh, separate laundry for the master as well. This definitely does have a lot of potential. Plenty of square feet.
There's your 4 shower heads.
Alright, jetted tub. It is tile. Hey, this is actually in decent shape. Look at this.
Wait, what's
Nice
that?
tile. Just
1,
replace
2, 3,
above you.
4?
Yeah.
5.
Yeah. And then those are actually body ones too. There.
7?
Yeah. So sinks. This is all just basic. Man, if this was done up well, it's an interesting placement for a water closet. How the toilet's just sitting right there in the middle.
Why is it facing this way?
Normally they're like vertical, yeah, or facing you.
I mean, it's vertical.
Okay. Nice size bedroom. Guest bath, standard. And final bedroom. Just basic, good, standard. So it appears to be when you come in, here's the front door. So as you come in, then to your left, you have what could be a family room or a living room area. Could be like a pool table area, something like that. Then you could have what would be like an eat-in kitchen, bar set, something over here. There's your kitchen. In the back would be your actual family room, entertainment area, things of that nature. And then to the right of the entry is your master and two guest bedrooms and a bathroom. And then beyond the opening over here to the left is that upstairs bedroom or whatever it might be, the guest bath, the other laundry room, and the garage. All right. So that's about it. If you have any questions, just give me a call. 602-821-7460. That's 602-821-7460. That's a nice sized patio. This is a great lot. And with the prices of New River homes, picking it up around $80 a square foot, it's not uncommon for homes in this area to go for $125, $140 a square foot in great shape on nice lots. So this has lots of room. Yeah. All right. I'll talk to you soon.